Here she is. Tube in here to mount the tank. Bit of 2-pack gloss black in the back. Tunnel is done. Getting on to painting the inside next. The bay then, I just had a bit of black pearl left, so a bit nicer. It's just kind of quick and easy. It's not going to be a chip food paint job or anything like that. Big tunnel. Firewall blanked off. And then just got a message to say engine is finished, so we'll get that picked up. Pretty excited. Big S13, heaps of good parts from Alex, so assembly showed full steam ahead now, and see how we go. Keen as to get this together and get back out in it. We have some glass out, side window, windscreen. Inside, bit of etch primer. Give that a scotch tomorrow, mask it up ahead of the 2-pack. S13 is in her. Just headers on, make sure everything is clear. D-Max rack. Fits just barely. Not really see now, but yeah. Had to actually go off to a Allen head bolt. It was that close to the starter. Slightly different than the R33 rack we did run, but feels heaps better. Front tube frame is on. Painted metallic as well. So yeah, we're making moves. There's just stuff everywhere. So I really need to get the interior painted tomorrow. Start putting stuff back in. We have Perspex windows, see them up there. From Yugen Performance. So Nardo grey inside. 2-pack aerosol. That's actually same as that. That's 2-pack aerosol. Works out really good. Yeah, so we can start reassembly then inside, mounting stuff up, ready for wiring, and get stuff off the floor because space is pretty tight. Get this engine picked up out of here, and the guys is off sunning himself, travelling the world, and what he's doing. Needs to come and get this out of my way. But yes, travelling along. Starting to get it back together. Building the interior back up after painting. Full Nardo grey. Battery in. Dash just sitting there for now. Nitrous bottle's going to mount there this year instead. Easier to change. So, getting her finished up, ready for wiring. Should get all the stuff that has to be wired obviously mounted in place, so can be all done nice and tidy. But we're getting close. So we're moving along pretty nicely. Just cut the dash to the new tunnel, the lower section. And then we have the Elite and the PDM from Haltech mounted up there out of the way, nice and tidy. Handbrake is some new stainless hardware. An issue with threads at World Time Attack last year, we pulled the threads out. So it's all new, sorted, knotted. Intake is on properly, throttle body, nitrous plate, purge, overflow, catch can is on, power steer and rad. So we're getting close to being done in here. But the big one, which I am probably the most excited part of this whole refresh, arrived today. G-Force G101A. Look at that. Side shift. Quick time bell housing, tilting bearing. The bearing there. Send this out a gear knob and a shift lever as well. This is unreal. RTS. Hook this up. So the only downside is we're probably going to have to, well not probably, we will have to cut the side of the freshly painted big tunnel, get the gear lever out. But yeah, I'll live with having to cut that. It's going to be unbelievable, something I have wanted for so long. It's just going to be amazing to drive with this gearbox. Yeah, keen as really to get out in this car. Yeah, hopefully it can really show me potential now driving. Because yeah, it was always in the back of my mind with the issues with the gearbox and stuff before, so now that everything is sorted, the car has gone over front to back, I'm hoping this is going to be a really good year. We actually got a contract today, so there will be a pretty major announcement coming really soon. Car isn't not even staying the same colour, it's just new colour, new livery, new theme you could call it. But yeah, it's just, it's, I actually cannot wait for this year to kick off and just get at it and test out everything. And the car is just going to have everything. We've quick change, G-force, Ford's LS3, we've nitrous, Haltech everything, PDM. It's full pro car. It's unbelievable. So yeah, we'll push for 650 wheel horsepower. Might not even need the nitrous at some events, depending. But yeah, unreal. I cannot wait to get all this together, get it tuned, maybe get a test day before we do anything with the outside of the car, and then yeah, for Queensland Matsuri, yeah, it's going to be unreal. So yeah, big announcements coming. Hopefully in the next video, and we can let you all know where we're going. But yeah, 2 actually major sponsors coming on, so it's all down to me now. The car should be good, and I'll just have to drive her. So cheers for watching. We're trying to do better with the videos, the mics and stuff like that. So it's just after work trying to do recording and work on the car and kids and family and all that. It's hard to juggle everything, but just trying to give it a red hot go. So thank you. We've been slow with the updates. There's been a hell of a lot going on with work and stuff. Kids sick, we were sick, so we're doing what we can with the help of a lot of really good guys, mates, all of the rest. So we have ND Motorsport on the side of the G-force for us. Race Quip fireproof boot is on. Keypad is in. Car Shop Tanashi. Fair play to Reese, he smashed it out really quick time. And then give you a quick look at some of the wiring. Nice little connectors. Everything so tidy. All of that, and then keypad is out because we're currently not running, which is really disheartening, to be quite honest. We've tried so much. Messaging Jez, the tuner, engine builder, was on FaceTime with the team viewer on the laptop with Reese this morning for must have been nearly 2 hours. We've tried so much. It's like it's off on timing or something. It's probably gonna be something simple once we find it, but my God, it's so disheartening. I just want to hear it run, because I have clutch spacing is done, clutch gearbox, everything in, drive shafts in, exhaust. I must literally just hear this Johnny fire up, test the clutch. We're booked for a tune on Thursday, but man, I hope we make it. Still talking to people, trying to get stuff sorted. So in the meantime, we're just prepping for paint. We could end up trying to get this painted before Thursday. And then in between, coats of paint, the laptop is out and all the rest, so just give you a look. ND Motorsport, Nathan, some job. Gearbox can come in and out easily, and then it's just a fireproof boot. Buttons up, he made this stick as well to get her over, and just a cheapy 8-ball gear knob for the look. Still need to get the stickers on the keypad and then just screw that off, but and harnesses and stuff, but like, I mean, we're so close. Unbelievable. It's just, yeah, so bloody close. So hopefully we can just hear this run, then just button it up. Body panels are in paint. I have a few videos done on that, but that'll be in the colour reveal video. So we're masking up, it's all sanded. Get it down to the workshop. Would have been really nice to have it running. The shed is a state because there's just tools everywhere, on the phone trying to grab stuff. Yeah, so we're just really hoping that something simple. And if Jez can get on TeamViewer with us tomorrow, the tuner, he might pick up something, or I'm also going to contact Haltech because it's Sunday at the moment. So if Haltech can jump on and just have a quick squeeze for us and see, and hoping it's just something simple that we haven't swapped over from the LS1 to the LS3. Because it's just like backfiring through the intake, out the exhaust, so its timing is definitely off somewhere, but I mean, it wouldn't take us long to get her done. Now that she's sanded, masked, body panels are painted, and I was just so keen to hear this thing run. Once I picked up from Reese from the wiring, but unfortunately there's just something there stopping us, so hopefully we can figure it out. Honestly, it's disheartening. I mean, we've put so much work in, it's just unbelievable, but that's rallying, hey, isn't that what to say? So we'll plunge on. Hopefully, with a bit of luck in this video, we'll hear it running before it's painted, but if not, it could be the other way around, but we'll see what happens. So keep the updates coming from now on, and test day booked for next Sunday, so I have a lot of stuff booked with unknown, so I'll have to see what is going on. Rightio, we'll keep her lit. Right, big update, the one that I've definitely been waiting for. Car's running. It was pretty simple in the end. It was just pumps were labelled wrong. Fuel pump 1, pump 2, just something simple. Second pump was wired to come on with nitrous of 5,000. So I knew we had a bit of a fuel pressure issue, but between everything, just missed it. So pump 1 was pump 2, and we were losing fuel pressure. It was only the lift pump, whatever it was getting through the surge tank, and that's why. Coil tracks were on the wrong banks, but I had actually swapped them when I was trying it. That's why I thought timing. But yeah, we're just about to take it down for paint, so this will be the last one in this video. Next one will be painting and reveal of colour, hopefully. So just put some new over fenders on it. We did have another brand already bought, but it'll take about 2 days worth of work to get them to a drift car spec fitment, so they're being sold. So we have these now, same as what I had. Really good fit, straight on, riveted, ready for paint. But let's give her a go. Oh, you scoop. bad need of a tune. She's fairly stinking of fuel, but yep, we're making pretty much the right noises now, so super happy with that one. And get her down now, get her painted. Next couple of weeks they're going to be a bit full on, lots of announcements and stuff, so yeah, next video should be a good one. Take her handy.